Hey creators, welcome to day 19 of the AI Plus SEO Mastery Challenge. Today's focus, voice search optimization using AI, your 2025 guide to staying ahead. Here's how. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to create conversational, voice-friendly content. Step 2. Add FAQ schema and use long-tail keywords naturally. Step 3. Test voice queries with Google Assistant and optimize snippets. AI tools help you structure your content to match how people speak, not just how they type, making your site voice search ready. Bonus tip. Use AnswerThePublic plus ChatGPT to generate real spoken queries and turn them into blog topics. Tomorrow is day 20, a AI-powered email marketing automation. ChatGPT plus MailChimp.